graphics. Very nice. Extremely nice, actually. Oh. Okay, I can change the sense right now. B. Oh, weeks missing. The graphics, by the way. Is that her? Virginia, yeah. That's the three arms person. Okay. Site map. So we will find, what was her name? Virginia. Fight demons. Did we get shot down? Okay. That's very... Ah, I see. I fell down. I fell out. And I'm hanging in a parachute? Or hanging on a branch? What is... Oh! Oh, I can... Man, you just saw what happened. You're gonna fall down and take damage. Thank you. Okay. Love the intro. What? Oh, it punches my arm, didn't it? Okay. That's a new way of FPS drop. Did I see someone in front of me? No, it's a deer. Oh, it's so loud. Okay. Have to look at it. Oh. I will pick up a few things. Is it still I? Open. Click the gear to then... Okay. I like this. I like this. I got my axe. This is guidebook. This is the axe. This is the knife. Lighter is... Can I still equip lighter by L? Take the pills and be alright. Yes, Kelvin. Yo. You gotta snap out of it. Okay, I like that. How I just... Oh. Did I just get a grenade? C4 brick. Normal to have in a plane. I will not make a base for now. I want to go to this green dot. And I want to explore the map a bit. It should be the same map, right? It should be the same map. Okay, I thought my cam was very delayed, but it was not. Did I drown the man? Oh, he ran all the way around. He was like, yeah, I'm not touching that water. Okay. Feel like that, dude. I don't need you to touch water. I need you to follow me, that's all. Are you ready, boy? collected. You don't actually have to hit them this time. You can just hold. That's not a save option. That's kind of worrisome. What will you do? Is it automatically save? Okay, dude, we need to run around this. We are not planning on dying right now, okay? Oh, it's gonna take ages for me to learn this map. Wait, there's a car? What are these green things? Is this something? It's a campfire? Listener boy. I want to get across. You know what? I'm just gonna go across. You can follow me. You can find a way across. Can't you? How in... Yeah, I will go towards that one. No, never mind. I will make a base with this lake. I think this is a very common base location, but I don't care. It's gonna be my starter. It's gonna be my starter, and yeah, that's something. And again, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a super common base build. Now then, can I make him not follow me? I just ate random berries, and I know those are bad. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Oh, I like this one. Okay, I will put you there, actually. And I will farm this. Oh. Oh, yes. I'm just waiting to get jumped on by an animal. Holy shit, how many logs just came. Can you carry 2 logs as well? Sure. You needed 7 though, so I don't understand. Oh, I do understand. And you get 7 from those? That's great. You have moved. I don't like that part of you. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Oh my god. Okay, listen. I will also make stone sticks. I will also make a very, very beautiful house out on this thing. I cannot. It's annoying. I can make it on that, but I can't make it on this. That's weird. Okay, okay. Now we can save progress. New save. I don't like the new mechanics. You actually dodged that. Very cool that you are able to dodge it. Extremely. Come here. Come here. I don't like that. I do not like that. You're climbing that tree. You're allowed to. Yes. You're allowed to climb that tree. You're allowed to jump as far as you want. Okay, believe me. What are you, a monkey? Yeah, I know, dude. I know. Just come here. They don't bother us, we don't bother them. They do bother us though. And he's climbing trees after me. And there he comes. Follow me. Yes. Great. Now then, GPS. Yeah, I know don't want to, and I know this homie there is annoying, but we just gotta go. Oh, hello. No. Yeah. Go away, dude. I need stamina. What do we need? Stamina. No FPS drop, please. Don't hit me. Yeah, what will you do? Yeah, that's what I thought. Die is one thing. Now we scavenge. We loot and scoot. You mother... Fucker, don't go after my friend. How can you even hit me there? How can you hit me twice? How can... I know it's early access, but goddamn, dude. Did I just wake up or something at the location I died at? Oh, that's cool. Oh my god, that's extremely cool, actually. I died when I met her. I met her, I mean. I met... Oh my god, I didn't... I saved. Load. So listen up. That camp. Do they have rope? Who knows? Listen now. We need to talk. Your hiding techniques are... This is what I like to see. Follow me now. Climb. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, if I hold this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay, I see it. I will drink so they can calm the fuck down. Then I will sleep. Tree shelter. I really want to build a tree shelter. This one is no rope, while this one is 70 logs and 1 rope. I kind of want to build this one. But for the sake of my friend. Come here, dude. I throw all cannibals into the sea. I regret. Am I allowed to say that now? That I regret. I feel bad for everything I've done. Definitely not because I saw the cannibal over there and he looked kind of beefy. To be honest, I don't want to meet that. I can't hit that! Come here, come here. You can't fight me in my own territory, but where I can't hit. If you just die in the sea, that would actually been better for me. These are safe to eat. That's great. Oh, it's blueberries. Listen, I said it before. I'm saying it again. Everyone that comes here, I'm throwing into the sea. Not the sea, but the lake at least. The lake. So it's your choice if you want to die. What? Yeah. I'm doing it. I'm using the lake as my own cover. Listen, if I just walk over to this side. Gather planks. Now I don't need that many logs. I need 8 logs, 25 planks, 2 quarter. How did he get half? Maybe he made them himself? Yeah. Make as much noise as you want. Yeah, fuck you. You look at your friend that died? Nah. I do not care. You can look at your friend all you want. I have shit together, like rope. Listen, what I'm doing now is justified. Try to hit me. Try to hit me again, son. Yeah, that's what I thought. I have to get home. Listen, I might have destroyed my meeting with her. Oh, it's good that I stopped him. I had 2 more. I know, now you can join the finishing build and everything. But it wasn't that important, was it? What? I wanted to put a drying rack up here, but it seems like it's gone. Okay. When they say gather 70 logs, for example, for this, do you think they mean that I need 70 logs? No, 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 no. Dude, hello. Don't run, please. Does she want me to follow or what? What is? Yeah, the game cannot possibly mean that I should follow that because that's way too fast. Take that. Listen. I have made a cabin you can even use. And you still don't want to use it? I ordered you to take a break and you leave. Are you following me or something? Hello, it truly does seem like you're following me. Finally, I can save in a safe haven. I think I want my campfire right here, dude. Whew. Okay, I will now say I've played for 1 hour and 40 minutes. But yeah, I just love the game. I will be playing this many times forward and continue the story until I finish it. So I don't know how long the game is, but maybe 10 parts. Who knows? But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.